Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy games on Steam using a gift card. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on your username to reveal the drop-down menu, then select View My Wallet from the options that appear. This will take you to your Steam Wallet page where you can manage your funds and add credit to your account. On the right panel of your Steam Wallet page, you'll notice an option that says Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll actually input your gift card information to add funds to your wallet, making them available for purchases across the entire Steam store. Now you'll see a field where you need to enter your gift card code. Take your physical card or email and locate the code on the back or in the message body. Carefully type this code into the designated field, making sure each character is correct. After entering the code, click Continue. Steam will then process your gift card and add the balance to your wallet. Give it a moment to complete this step. With your wallet now loaded, it's time to find the game you want to purchase. In the upper right corner of the Steam interface, you'll see a search field. Type in the name of the game you're looking for, then click on the correct result from the search suggestions that appear. This will take you directly to the game's store page where you can view details, screenshots, and reviews. Once you're on the game's page, click the Add to Cart button. This adds the game to your shopping cart, similar to how online shopping works on other platforms. Next, click View My Cart to see everything you're about to purchase and review the total cost. Inside your cart, you'll see a button labeled Continue to Payment. Click it to proceed to checkout. Here's where Steam makes things easy. The platform will automatically use your wallet balance to cover the purchase. However, if the game costs more than what you currently have in your wallet, don't worry. You can pay the remaining amount using another payment method by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting your preferred option. This gives you flexibility in completing your purchase, even if your gift card doesn't cover the full amount. Finally, click Continue to finalize your purchase. Steam will process the payment using your wallet funds and any additional payment method if needed, and the game will be added to your library immediately. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a game on Steam using your gift card. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.